you will find out o asa gid ko padong, but I'm definitely filing my COC.
Okay, thank you, Mayor.
Mayor, mana po slate ni mo pa yan?
Ha?
Ang whole slate yun.
Ikaw ba, assuming kay ka. No, but this is what I have to say. Ang panagiusa kong kusog, we are already just talking about the finer details of the merger, but it is already a done deal. Okay, sige, sa pa.
So technically, kompleto na ang imong...
Dilipasan.
So, balay, magpasa.
Tomorrow you will know tomorrow. Sige, sa pa. Yes, definitely. Kaya mo man ay essence sa merger, di ba? So na sila yung ubang kandidato na atong i-appeal sa atong merger. Definitely, we will be fielding a complete slate for the local elections. Ang panagiusa with the coalition of Kusog. Full slate, mayor, vice mayor, down to the last 16 councilors, congresswoman or man sa north, congresswoman or man sa south. Okay? Sige. So that's all. It's so far as politics is concerned. Next.